You didn't go into business for the like. You did it for the love. You may have started it or grew up in it. You may work for a big company or for yourself. But you have a passion for this place. Liberty Mutual Insurance has a passion for protecting it. Talk to your independent agent or broker today about Liberty Mutual Insurance. Protect your passion.
Hot Topic Education Sessions, connecting with the international market and what attendees love about RIMS 14. Welcome to RIMSTV, sponsored by Liberty Mutual Insurance. I'm Monty Francis. Now, two hot topics creating a buzz here at the conference this year are terrorism risk and the legalization of marijuana, something they know a little bit about here in the state of Colorado. A big question for RIMS attendees is, how will the legalization of marijuana affect your employment policies? The legalization of medical and recreational marijuana use is sparking discussions on insurance coverage issues, drug testing, and model workplace policies. This hot topic session addressed those concerns by reviewing state court cases and by hearing from experts in Colorado on how they're handling this emerging issue.
I'd pay attention to three court decisions that have come down the pike. One in Michigan, which involves Walmart, and then there are two here in Colorado. One involving Dish Network, and the other one, Benoir, B-E-N-O-I-R. But all of those have supported employers' decisions to discipline or terminate employees who've tested positive, even if they happen to hold a medical marijuana card. So watching those and watching that legal development is going to be pretty important for risk managers as well.
The terrorism risk session focused on what will happen if the Terrorism Risk Insurance Act is not extended by the end of 2014.
Insurance costs really is the biggest driver. If we don't get it extended, we can imagine that most of the insurance policies that insurance buyers are going to purchase are either going to get very, very expensive, or the insurance companies aren't going to offer it. And for folks that, especially workers' compensation, it's a requirement to have terrorism coverage. So if we can't get it, we're going to have a real problem.
With 67 countries represented this year, RIMS 14 is truly an international conference. Attendees are making far-reaching connections. Risk and insurance professionals from across the globe attended an international breakfast at the Hyatt, making new friends and new connections.
It's been very good. I mean, we were able to link up and connect with clients and colleagues, exchange some ideas about the different ways we do business in Brazil or over here in the States. So it's been very helpful.
Because of the nature of work that I do on the continent, I connect global companies that are investing in Africa. So I was interested to, network on a broad and also specific level.
The Premier of Bermuda, the Honorable Craig Cannonier, made the trip to Denver for this year's conference. Bermuda calls itself the world's risk capital, offering tailor-made risk management solutions to the world's leading companies. The Premier also met with RIMS President Carolyn Snow and presented her with the very first and heavily sought-after 2014 Bermuda bag. It was important for the Premier to attend RIMS 14 to show Bermuda's support for the market.
Well, it's important that as a government that we also listen to understand the market as well. This is about ensuring that with all things equal that we shake hands with those who have contributed to this market and that they know that the Bermuda government is behind this product and behind this industry. So that's why we're here. Yeah, really and truly, I was here for the orange bags. Every year we have a different colored bag, and it really is a feature of the whole RIMS market. Everyone comes looking for these bags, so I want to ensure that I get one of the orange bags before they run out. Last year they ran out really fast, so.
Networking, keynotes, and educational sessions are just some of the draws to RIMS 14. We talked to some attendees about what keeps them coming back year after year.
I think it's a wonderful opportunity for Kids Chance and RIMS to partner in this community of the industry that really shares the passion and the commitment to kids of families of workers with injuries and deaths.
This is the best place for an insurance professional to network, and the educational sessions are amazing. And if you want to know anything about insurance, this is the place you need to be.
that occurs, we'll say, from year to year is new knowledge in a lot of cases. Doesn't matter what area of risk management it is. When I first started, risk management was very, very narrow, and today it's so broad that it's unbelievable.
Here in Denver, the altitude can get to you, so it's important to stay hydrated. That's why Old Republic Companies and PMA sponsored a water bar at booth 1735 on the exhibit floor. Come by for a cool drink, and there's even a fruit infuser if you want some flavor added to your refreshment. Inside the Thought Leader Theater, the unseen risks of BYOD, or bring your own device, were discussed. Just because you pay for each employee's mobile device does not always mean big savings. Here's how you can make sure you don't give back your cost savings.
So you need to contemplate the operational risk that they're going to draw some more bandwidth from your internet connection, and so you need to contemplate the impact on that and the other parts of your business, the additional IT resources, the additional security implications, privacy, some legal implications. There are a lot of different areas. But
thanks for watching RIMSTV, sponsored by Liberty Mutual Insurance. Stop by booth 921.
We're a sophisticated leading carrier that offers the full breadth of products and services needed to manage large and complex risk.
We're passionate about partnering with brokers and buyers to develop multi-line programs that better control their total cost of risk through industry-leading risk control and outcome-focused claim management services.
We leave you now with the sights and sounds from the Rocky Mountain Ale tasting in the exhibit hall.
Sometimes it's better to have a mountain in your path. Roadblocks can be a benefit, and hurdles can be a blessing. People who risk failure do amazing things. They get smarter, work harder, and achieve things that never seemed possible, finding creative solutions that drive unexpected outcomes. They push against enormous obstacles, knowing that effort will make the end product even better. Where other risk managers see only a shipping route, we see a treasure map. Where they see a new highway, we see the gleaming city it will help to create. At STAR, we understand that when risk is managed, opportunity thrives. So we stand by our clients' sides as they sign contracts, build industries, and generally make the world go round. At STAR Companies, we are underwriting the future.